Bridges not only serve as a means to cross from one side to another, many are as beautiful and nostalgic as they are functional. Their current function and safety are of great concern these days to engineers studying their design health. The nation's bridges aren't in great shape. They're built with a projected design life of 50 to 75 years, and many are fast approaching the end of their lives.
Decay is ever present and accelerates as the bridges age. So there's an increased need to better understand the performance of bridges so that we can safely continue to use our bridges and to make wise maintenance decisions on them.
Paul Ziehl is a civil engineer at the University of South Carolina. He's helping lead a team of researchers designing a wireless monitoring system that will help engineers detect cracks in the massive structures. And they say it's about time. For instance, there are more than 10,000 bridges in South Carolina. Some 1,200 are considered deficient. How do they know that? Presently, engineers conduct site inspections about every 2 years to determine how bridges are holding up. But this sensor monitoring system will change all of that. The University of South Carolina is working in concert with Virginia Tech, the University of Miami, and a Princeton, New Jersey firm to design and test this new monitoring system. It's being paid for with a $14 million federal grant, and it's going to take scientists about 5 years to complete their research. Ziehl says the research began about 6 months ago.
Beginning stages, we have a focus on trying to understand the energy that can be harvested from bridges, primarily from the vibration of bridges as traffic crosses over it, so that the sensing system can be self-powered without the need for batteries or external power supply.
Fellow university engineer Juan Caicedo says they're studying multiple features of bridge design to understand how to improve upon existing structures.
Basically, there's going to be some sensors that are going to be installed on the bridge. The sensors are going to power themselves due to the vibrations of the bridge, and then they're going to collect some signals that are coming from the material on the bridge when it breaks or when it cracks. Those signals are going to be collected, sent to a computer, and the computer can actually determine what is the actual stage of the bridge and how much life does the bridge has.
During the 5 years it's expected to take engineers to perfect the sensor monitoring system, Caicedo says the research will be very specific in its mission.
During that 5-year period, we're going to study how to power the sensors, how to recharge the batteries. We're going to study how to better detect the cracks, which is also another very high research area right now. And we're also going to study how, based on that information that are coming from the sensors, how can we do prognosis? How can we say how much life do we have in this bridge and how safe is the bridge to use right now?
Bridges in South Carolina, Virginia, Pennsylvania, and Florida will be the test sites for the sensor monitoring system, and it's expected to take about 6 years to complete the study, at which time Ziehl and Caicedo hope the new system will forever change the way bridges are inspected.